What's up guys, welcome to RaceX. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install your HUD, your heads-up display for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. So I got this for my Model 3 and the installation is really easy. It's probably similar for the Model Y as well, but I'm going to walk you through it, and if you have any questions please just leave me a comment below, and yep, let's get right into it. So firstly, when you open up the box you should have the main unit, the rocker and a series connector. So first thing you want to do is get the main unit, untangle the wire and stick the unit inside the plastic in the dash, and then you want to just run the wire through to the side. Right after that you're going to need your rocker, which is the most handy tool in this installation. You basically use that to pry open the side. So use the rocker to disassemble the triangular plastic trim panel on the driver's central control side. Once you've taken the cover off, just feed the wire through till it's straight and then put the cover back on. It should just clip back on and the wire should be hidden. And once you've done that, just keep following the plastic down and keep using the rocker to slightly open up the plastic to push the wire in, and just keep the wire hidden all the way. And once you get right down to the bottom, you're pretty much going to go all the way across the panel, all the way to the back. And then once you get to the back, you can see underneath the metal there's actually a gap. So you just push down and feed the wire from underneath there, underneath the carpet as well, then underneath the metal again. And then now you're at the final part, almost at the final part. So this is the last bit, the most annoying and uncomfortable bit, but it's still very easy. You just need to use the rocker to pry off the trim cover for the central control system, and then you'll see the connector. So using the rocker you should be able to just dismantle the connector. So this next bit is easier to see, but you just get your series connector and connect it, and then get the black wire and connect that too. And that's pretty much done on the electronic side. Then you just make sure it's all neat and tidy there, make sure nothing's sticking out, and put your cover back on. It should just clip into place. Now once that's all connected, you are ready to go. There's nothing else for you to do. It should just turn on once you sit in your driver's seat. Okay, so once you've done that, it's pretty much done. You can drive off and it will work. It should work perfectly fine. I never had to press or do anything. Everything just aligned up perfectly. So yeah, if you have any questions about this product, please do let me know. Just an FYI, there are many companies that make these heads-up display units, so there might be slight differences in between them, but I believe the installation should be the same and the overall product should be the same as well. I think there just might be small differences in designs. If you want the exact one that I have, I'll put a link in the description to my eBay store where you can buy them. Other than that, there are a lot of things I've added to my Model 3, so please be sure to subscribe to find out more about them. I'll be making a lot of videos about them, and please be sure to like if you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.